Forecast first on Color 10 News, Ozarks First.
Good morning. Thanks for joining us. Let's start you off with an update on our drought monitor. It's improving. The drought conditions have been shrinking. Not all of the area is included anymore. Rolla and Salem are free from some of these drought conditions. We still have some dry to moderate drought conditions across Greene County, but it's way better than we've been. We had a dry May, then June and July were very dry. We got over 5 inches for both months. That was over 3 inches below normal. And then here comes August. About 7 inches of rain, 3 inches above the normal. So that very wet August helped alleviate some of these dry conditions from the months before. And then September so far, we're an inch above normal. And that's because literally this time last week, we were getting the remnants of Gordon, right? So that's what helped. These things are helping with these drought conditions. This morning, we're quiet. We've got clear skies. Not even some cloud cover out there. It's just very calm out there this morning. Temperatures are warm. It's 68 in Springfield, 65 in Rolla, and 70 in Ava. And it's humid. We've got this muggy meter kicking, continuing to trend upward with the temperatures and the humidity thanks to south winds starting to take over in the Ozarks. So a mix of sun and clouds today. Temperatures in the middle and upper 80s, warm and sticky. 86 by dismissal. We'll have these temperatures up at 88 degrees as we head through the afternoon. Overnight, another warm one, a couple of clouds, temperatures in the upper 60s. And then by tomorrow, we'll keep these temperatures in the middle and upper 80s. We'll have a mix of sun and clouds. And then by Sunday, we'll have to start watching for very isolated shower chances. Very spotty. I do think most of us wind up staying dry and really nice. Temperatures stay summery as we head through the next 7 days, middle and upper 80s until Thursday of next week, much above the average of 82. We'll start to see temperatures maybe come down a bit by Friday as we get a cold front to come through. But again, that's outside of that 7-day period. Florence is going to be a big story this morning. CBS This Morning will have plenty of reports here right after daybreak. But we've got Hurricane Florence now, Category 1 with 100 mile per hour max sustained winds in that eye. Just got word from the National Hurricane Center that this storm has made official landfall. We call official landfall when that clear center, and you can actually kind of see it here right under the G, that clear center goes over land. That's what we call landfall. Now, they've been battered with the tropical storm force winds and the hurricane force winds since yesterday because you still have to have half of the storm right before you get to the center. So they've been dealing with deteriorating conditions since yesterday. But that eye wall over Wilmington with the most destructive winds, the heaviest rain, and that center just made official landfall near Wrightsville Beach. Winds there sustained 40 to 50 miles per hour, gust up to 91 miles per hour reported near Wilmington here this morning. The wind field is wide. Tropical storm force winds take up nearly the entire eastern half of North Carolina, 400 miles there, and then we're looking at the hurricane force winds spanning 160 miles. Storms still expected to stall over South Carolina, which will bring devastating, catastrophic heavy rain, feet of rain very likely, and the area that will see feet of rain is growing. 20 to 25 inches likely in this gray here, with some isolated totals up to 40 inches possible. 88 degrees today, warmer and sticky. We'll have some partly cloudy skies. 68 overnight, another warm one. By tomorrow, 87, quiet, still summery. An isolated shower possible on Sunday. We'll keep an isolated shower chance through early next week, but most of us will stay dry and warm.